Today I'm discuss about a free video converter tools. That name is HandBrake. HandBrake is a tool for converting video from nearly any format to a selection of modern widely supported courses. User new love and when convert video from nearly any formats, and this software is completely free and this is the open source, and you can use this software in Windows, Mac, and Linux. And you see some features in this software. You, one thing I have shown about this handbrake, sometimes we need to convert any video from one format to another, and you need to just cropping or just flipping this video, and sometimes we need to reduce video size, or we need to reduce frame per second of videos. But in many tools in available on the market, but uh, most of the tools is not free. Sometimes they give their watermark on, they mm, ask for subscription, or ask for premium version, ask for premier version, so that we need a uh, free version sometime. But today I'm find this software which is completely free and open source. Uh, just go to your browser and uh, click the handbrake.fr, and you will find this software. I'm just talking about the features of this software. Uh, in this official web, they turns the get started will handle in second by crossing profile optimized for your device or choice universal profile, or standard or high quality, mm, conversion simply easy fast for the more choice to many basic and advanced option to improve your encoders. And one thing you have supports a lot of video formats which you need, um, and you also converted with this audio also, audio encoder, a lot of audio and how you download, just simply click just simply click the download button and your download will be started. And I have already already downloaded this is file, and just after installation, my yes. Okay, this is the main interface of this software. mm, I think this is very easy to use, easy to handle. uh, at first, just click the open a single file, and you can open a folder for multiple file. i'm just I'm just open a single file that scanning, and my file is uploading. Okay, this is my file, and convert if I convert a file, uh, this is mp4 mkv mp4 file format, and I can change the uh, various quality of this video very fast if I change the speed, and you can change the frame per second. And okay, I'm just converting to very low, very low resolution, very low resolution, and there's a lots of presets option. I'm using a preset option. Here see that the preset option for uh, many devices, for um, any many websites, and you can use any presets. Okay, I'm just selecting a presets for very fast 480 pixel and 30 frame per second. That's some just for uh, testing purpose. Okay, this is the summary, and you can change the video size or and cloning, cropping, and this is the 100%. Okay, I'm just crop left side 20, and if I give some border in this video, okay, just some black border, left one, top two, bottom two, and right two, bottom two. Okay. After that, I have some filter, and one thing, one thing again, you can also flip this video. Okay, in 90-degree, horizontal, 180-degree. You can also flip this video. Sometimes many purpose I need the flipping, cropping, or mirror videos, and I need to make borders. Without any video editor, you can do this work only. Just sometimes I need to flip something, and I need to make border. This type of work you can do easily without any video editor. And here is many things, and which video encoder you use. The popular video encoder is H264, X264. Here is the MP4, MP2, but we use the most popular video encoder, 264, H264, and you can change the frame per second from the default to anything. Okay, I'm just I have also set the preset in 30. 30, you can change any size, any uh, frame per second. Okay, I'm just selecting 10, and encoder, uh, how encoder work is the uh, fast, slow, and video quality, and this is the video, and you can change the audio, and you can also uh, set the subtitles, add a new track. Okay, name has some the handbrake my is ND B R handbrake ETL, and my handbrake the back subtitle. Okay, very fast. And you can add a chapter for every videos. This is the full videos. I can create a chapter, and you can import from file, from chapter. Okay, my everything is okay. Oh, this video is flipping because I have select. uh, I'm just showing again, just select the horizontal and 180-degree. Okay, I'm just selecting the 0 degree. Give us the 0 degree. Okay, this video is showing. Just I'm selecting 180-degree option. This video, sorry, 180-degree. Okay. The video, this video is reverse direction. Okay, and this is the preview, source preview, and add the queue, and one queue in queue, and just we can just start queue. You see the preparing and encoder process, and your encoding is started, and is will save to this direction, and this file name is same as, and previously I have um, make a convert. That's why we see a one for that file name, and this file is saving as in for fee. Okay, wait, so wait for completing this task. You need have time to convert it because this file will convert part by part, but this time is now very low because I have select the file frame part, select the selecting the, and we finished. I have see that no query is, and we can see the example. This is our file. Okay, just open the videos. Okay, documents, or just videos, and you can just see this. Okay, you see this. Okay, you see this. The very best. I think I have uh, learned basic things about the handbrake. I think you can easily download this software, and you can easily use this software. Okay, thank you for showing my videos.